In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop automatically backup files to OneDrive in Windows. Stop OneDrive from syncing desktop 5 minutes. If your desktop documents or pictures suddenly live inside OneDrive, that's because PC folder backup is enabled. This feature uploads those folders to the cloud and keeps them synced across devices. It's handy, but if you prefer your files to stay local and want to save cloud storage or use a different backup method, you can safely turn it off without uninstalling OneDrive. Start on your Windows desktop and look at the taskbar near the clock. Click the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it, click the small arrow to show hidden icons and then select the cloud. In the OneDrive panel that appears, click the gear icon to open the menu and choose Settings. This takes you to the OneDrive Settings window where everything related to sync and backup is managed. In the Settings window, go to the Sync and Backup tab. If your layout looks a little different, look for a section labeled Sync and Backup in the sidebar. The controls you need are there. Next, click Manage Backup. You'll see the important Windows folders listed, typically desktop, documents, and pictures, with switches indicating whether each one is currently being backed up. Turn off backup for any folder you no longer want in OneDrive. When you toggle a folder off, OneDrive will stop sending new changes from that folder to the cloud and stop pulling cloud changes back to your PC. To finish, confirm by clicking Stop Backup. You may see a notice explaining what happens to existing files. In general, stopping backup does not delete anything from your computer. Files that are already in OneDrive remain in your OneDrive account, and you can access them in the OneDrive folder or on the web. New files you place in your local desktop, documents, or pictures will stay on your PC only. A few tips as you apply these changes. Give OneDrive a moment to update. You'll see the tray icon show progress, and then return to idle. After turning backup off, check File Explorer to make sure you're working in the local versions of your folders, not the OneDrive paths. If you plan to move files from OneDrive back to your PC, make sure you have enough disk space first. If you only need a temporary break from syncing, you can pause sync from the cloud icon instead of turning backup off. And if you're using a work or school account, the screens might look slightly different, but the sync and backup and manage backup options work the same way. You can re-enable backup anytime by returning to manage backup and turning the folders back on. That's it. Your folders will now stop automatically backing up to OneDrive.